Annapolis Powerboat Show 2013. Starting with the AB 450, Generation 450. Coming up on the Generation 360, the AB Oceanus 11, AB Navigo 12 VS with console and seating, AB New 10 VSX, Walker Bay small console unit, 10'2". Achilles HB 315DX with the Euro helm, small Tohatsu motors, a little more of the HB 315, a couple more motors, a little better view maybe of the Genesis with console, Sea Wise in the up position. Again, the Oceanus 11, VS 10, 12. Here we have the smaller boats. Those are the Genesis 270s. Super lights in the back. AB 9VL, 9.5 AL. Up against the back there we have the ultralight 8, the 9 AL. Your Achilles LSR2 up on top. LEX 96, LSR 96. SPD 96. Overall there were 28 boats, 13 motors. A lot to see, a lot to compare. Be happy to give you a hand. Please feel free to give us a call or stop by 888-230-7583 or nic@msi-1.com. Hope you had a good time at the show. See you later. Bye.